You got huge clearance. Yeah, I don't know. They're clearancing all these tools out at all the stores. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing and hitting that icon and the bell icon so we can make more tool review videos. And you make sure you guys don't miss any of these deals, any of these killer deals that sell out in less than an hour. Yeah, unbelievable deals. If you guys watched, you guys know what kind of deals we get here. All right, so we got this chainsaw. It's a 10-inch chainsaw for $129. The other one we saw was like cheaper, so the other one I believe was corded. This one, there's different prices on this one. Your store might vary. I seen it as low as 25 bucks. So yeah, always double check all your stores, all these items. We got the Nexus Power Station, $9.99, and then you got the tool only for $5.99. Yeah, like I said, double check yours because it might be cheaper. Who knows, you know. We got the clearance section here. We got some tumblers. This one's $17.57. Wine tumbler. We got the Flex Spray bundle for all the weather, you know, all the hurricanes and the rain and all that. So make sure you guys have a can of those around so you guys could, you know, patch those roofs. You get the 4.5 gallon expansion tank, $41 down from $59. You got a misting fan conversion kit for down to $4.97. I ended up picking an extra one of these because its prices was so good. It was $20 originally. And then you got some grill accessories here. Barbecue utility glove, one piece, $13.57 down from $29. That's it right there. You got these grill replacement, $52 down from $104. It's good to have those extra ones. Guys, we got a huge clearance section, power tool clearance section we have to go over, so make sure you guys stay tuned. All right, so we got the jigsaw, $97. We got this tool combo kit for $149, down from $249. It's a pretty nice combo kit. These are all brushless tools and radio, oscillating tool, drill driver, impact driver, lights. You got the Lufkin tape measure here. This one's $12, down from $14. 100 footer. You got the Freak Bear tool, $99, down from $159. You got a 4-port charger from DeWalt, $299. Make sure you guys double check this price on yours. It might be cheaper at your store. $187, down from $249. This is a circular saw. Got the Impact Wrench Bear tool, $113, down from $189. You got a 12-volt sander Bear tool, $99, down from $119. You got the hard hats here for $287. I've seen them as low as $1. This hard hat is $7.87. And disregard the tool on the top. The tool on the top, it's we just went over it on it's misplaced. We just went over the tag. All right, so you got the two 3 amp hour batteries for $79. $89 for this brushless drywall cutout tool, down from $139. This is the XR drywall cutout tool. All right, so we got the impact driver drill driver for $89. That was $149. We got a what is that? A hot glue, or not a hot glue gun, but a heater gun. And then we have this SDS rotary hammer. This one's down to $129 for $169. And then you got this cordless planer for $119. And you got this air stapler for Craftsman, $40 up from $74.98. And then we got a sander, $44 down from $49.99. You got a pack of 2 4 amp hour batteries start kit. This one's down to $127, down from $159. You got a cutout tool, Bear tool, $59, down from $89. And then you got a ratchet, $69, down from $129. All right, so you got a bandsaw blade, $5. Buy one, give one free. The $129 with the 4 amp hour battery will get you a free tool. The free tool will be a brushless tool, top of the line brushless tools from Craftsman. So definitely check it out. Lots of tools for choose from. Definitely the oscillating tool, the angle grinder. Those are all have the DeWalt DNA on it. Keeping that in mind when you're buying these, because there are, especially the brushless versions of these. Definitely recommend these. $27.98 for an 18-ounce hammer from Tough Builds. And then you got clearance here for $6.98. These are circular saw blades. You got 7 1/4, 6 1/2 for Midwin. These are solid blades. All right, $8.97 for the 9-in-1 screwdriver for Linux. $10.98 for the mini hacksaw. Got the hacksaw there with the metal cutting blade, and then you got the $149 from $199. This is extreme 2-piece combo kit, and according to this, they buy one get one free still. So I don't know. I don't know if they still have this in stock, but this store does have the sale still going on, I guess. These are the free tools you guys could choose from with the starter kit or the pole saw kit, circular saw, 100 reciprocating saw, impact wrench, oscillating tool. These are all brushless tools, keep that in mind. And this is the tool combo kit you have to buy. These are 4 amp hour batteries. $149 will get you a free tool. Or you can get the pruning saw for $149 and get a free tool, or the pole saw. And then you got the job site radio. These are pretty nice radios. I still haven't listened I still haven't heard any reviews on these or anything, but I heard they're pretty. I heard they're they're updated, so that's all right. So $89 down from $139, so 105 piece. You got 135 piece from $119 for $119. $69.98 down from $149. 81 piece. Mechanics tool set. Gunmetal. Yeah, so that's definitely the best deal. The $69. I got the buy one get one free. $279 will get you a power stack starter kit. Will get a free tool, and those free tools are brushless XRs. And I believe, I don't know their power detect, but they are XRs. You got $12.98, your choice here. 14 piece drill bits. This is great for a small project, or just to have for the house, not necessarily for professional. This one's pretty good. This one does have a lot of bits in here, nut drivers. $19.98 for the folding jab saw, 4+4 blades from Tough Builds. It's pretty much like a one-handed reciprocating saw, but manual. I do prefer a one-handed reciprocating saw, by the way. $29.98 for the Airwin 25 footers. Oh, these are really nice. These are like the Fat Max style, with a nice viewing window there at the bottom. $24.98 for the Superior Impact safety glasses. You got a tinted and a clear. So anti-fog, that's a big one right there, especially for the winter. $29.98 for the digital angle square. Now this one's good for, especially if you have a like a really small space and you want to measure if the pipe is like actually going down or going up, in case you want to have draining, if you don't want to have draining issues. So that's a nice little level to have. Inspection kits, and then $49.99 for the electrical, $98 for the electrical kits. So you got a voltage tester, and then you got alright, got a hard hat. I really like these hard hats. The design it did. It does have like a grill on the side of it, like some breathing holes. So I really like that. I just wish that they would invent, something with the fan or something that would be nice. Because when it gets really hot, with these hats, it gets even hotter in there. Magnetic color-coded nut settlers. 6-piece, different colors. $29.98. Then you got the clean backpack for the mod box. $119. This is very interesting what they did with this one. You got the orange on the inside Very easy to see on the inside, even when it's darker. So yeah, that's a plus, having the orange accent on the inside. Just easier to see your tools. Yeah, because there's black in there, then it's hard to see. So that's a well thought. You got the Bosch, the Bulldog, down to 107 on clearance for was 179. You got the Buy More, Save More. Spend 450, save 150. Spend 449, save 75. Spend 299, save 30. Valid until November the 1st. 5-year warranty on the tool. 3-year warranty on the battery. You got a Speed Square combo. Is a 7-inch Speed Square combo. That's pretty nice. All right, so more tools that were added to, especially with this this tower light, the DeWalt tower light. So if you run the yellow tools and you're looking for that Milwaukee rocket light, well, here's your chance. You are able to get it with this power stack for $279. We got the triple hammer combos on clearance for $99. There's three of them at this store. Now, just keep in mind that these combos do not come with the multi-voltage batteries. They come with the smaller batteries. $69.50 was $139. This is for the triple hammer itself, tool only. You got a mechanics light for $141, down from $60. So that's pretty nice. Very similar to the DeWalt one. You got the 3-in-1 saw, Cobalt, $14.98. Very similar to the Tough build. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. Just want to show you guys that clearance section. It's actually a lot of tools to digest. There's a lot of tools being clearance out right now at the Loves, especially with this. They're changing the inventory and all that for getting ready for the holiday season. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.